Hello everyone, my name is Taufeeq sayyad. I am from Nagpur, Maharashtra, where I was born and brought up. I have completed my Bachelor of Engineering from Dr. D.Y.Patil, Pune in 2023 with the branch of Automobile Engineering. After uh, after engineering, I will searching a job and very struggling. So I will join one of my friend tell me about Evision Technoserve, and I will join Evision Technoserve and learning more topics like N plus N plus networking, hardworking, software related, and all cyber security related. All more of the things I will knowledge we gain from Evision. After my after my training complete, I will do more of interview from with the help of Evision Technoserve to call day to day daily call आते थे. So I will one of interview I'll crack. It's a very good opportunity for me. It's a micro academy. It's a Bangalore based company, so it's give me a 3 LPA package. It's good for me. इसी के साथ मैं इविजन को थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगा. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा और बहुत सी चीज़ मुझे सीखने को मिली. थैंक यू सो मच. और दैट्स ऑल अबाउट माई सेल्फ. थैंक यू सो मच इविजन.